Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. Problem number 137. A hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its corners of the base, such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. So this is the problem. So how to solve this problem? By using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go to this particular solution, and now we need to find out the beta inclination. So we should have a locus line. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Now we go for limits. Specify lower left corner 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point, give the direction through the mouse and give the distance of 297 here. And then you take 210, take the cursor to the top side and give 210. And take the cursor to the left side and take 297. And then say close. Then go to zoom, extends. Then go to zoom, extends, zoom 0.6x. Now we will go for layer. Click on new layer. Type the layer by name XY. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name locus. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name front view. Enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name front view. Hidden. Then click on layer, type the layer name by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view, hidden. Then, okay. Now we'll go for layer 0, make the line weight as 0.05. Click on XY line, type the layer by name, line weight by name 0.13. Locus is also 0.05. And then the front view should be of 0.5. Okay, and the front view hidden should be of 0.3. Okay, top view is of 0.5 and top view hidden should be of 0.3. Then go to line types, continuous. So you click on load, type the take hidden and say OK. And again click on load, type the layer by name center. Okay, and click on the load, type the layer by name -d and say OK. Now I want hidden. You just click on hidden and say OK. Then you take front view hidden and click on that hidden line type and say OK. And then the locus line should be of -. OK. And then now we have to have a click on new, type the layer by name axis. So here the axis should be of center line type and the thickness should be of 0.05. Say fine. Okay. Now we have the top view should be of blue color. So you take top view should be of blue color and say okay. And the top view hidden also should be of blue color. And then the front view hidden should be of red. Okay. And the front view is also of red color. And then the axis line should be of magenta color. So this is how you will be able to create this layers of line type, color and line weight. Now we will go for first we are going to construct the top view. So go to polygon and the number of sides is 6. So you take the edge option. So here the side is 25. You click on this and give 25 mm. So once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, and similarly line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line and go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm. So go to 50. So you select this line and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then int of this, and then intersection part of this. Now then go to fillet between this line and this line, and then go to mirror this, mirror, select this, and mirror select these two along with this line, and mirror with reference to nearest point on this, and you take this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now you just click over this, and you take this line and take this line, and you take this line. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, then you just go to erase this line, and then go to break this line till here. Then you select between these four and this line, go to layer, make that layer as front view, and then you just come down to this, then go to layer, make that layer as axis line, and take the distance as center, line type scale. Then you click on the line by display, so you're going to get this drawing. Once you do that, then what is the next? So you have to rotate this by an angle of 50 degrees in counterclockwise direction, so that the axis will be inclined at 40 degrees. So to do that, so just go to copy, select this entire thing, and then go copy to the next position, and then go to rotate this entire thing with reference to this point. So rotation angle is 50 degrees, so you're going to get 40 degree inclination. Then go to line, take int of this, you take this line, and you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, and then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of these two and draw a perpendicular line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as object to trim. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this, take intersection part of this, and take int of this line. And similarly, you take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection of this, and take int of this, and take intersection of this, and take intersection part of this. Now we need to break these lines. Break first point, take int of this and take at the rate. Then go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, then break, select, undo. Then break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then you select all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select this and okay. Now the extreme edge of this is visible now. That is the extreme edge. So go to layer, take top view. So you got this. Then the two visible edges. So this edge is also visible and this edge is also visible. Go to layer, make that as top view now. Once you do that, the surface, the edge or a corner which is on XY line will be always invisible in the top view. So top view hidden, and then go to line type scale, you take 10 mm. Just come down to this and write 10 mm. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing. Then go to, so here you just break this. First point, take int of this and say @ Then you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as 0. Now we got this. Now here, go to zoom window, you come down to this. Then you just go to DDIM, go to modify. So go to primary units, up to second decimal point you take. Then go to text, take the text height as 3. Then align with the dimension line, take offset dimension as 3. Vertical is above. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. And then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3. And say OK and say close. Now we have dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this now. So this is the X 38.30. Now once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line here, and then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line here. Then go to line, take nearest and take @. So here the angle given to be 30 degrees. So @100 less than minus 30 degree. Then go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 50. So once you do that, then go to break this line till here and this line till here. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to zoom window, then go to circle, take center of this, take the radius as 38.30. Then go to break this circle from here to here and similarly from here to here. Then go to erase this and erase this. Once you do that, then go to copy this entire thing here, int of this, and you take center of this now. Once you do that, then go to rotate this, take int of this and you take the reference, you take intersection point of this and take end point of this line, and this should be rotated till to the next new position. Then go to break this line till here. So you consider this as the locus layer. Go to layer, make that as locus and take the distance as 10. So once you do that, so you're going to have a break here. Take it out, then go to move, select this and switch off the ortho mode and take it wherever you want and you place it. Then go to break this line till here, then go to line, switch on the ortho mode, take intersection point of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this. So here, this point is here, take perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take int of these two. Which are those 2 points? Those 2 points are here. So take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take line, take endpoint of, so you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to fillet between this line and this line. Now we need to go for joining all these points by means of line. So you take all these intersection points, and similarly here, and similarly here, then here, similarly here, int of this and go to int of this and take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, and then take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, and then intersection part of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Now we have all these points. Now we need to change this. So here you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take this distance as 10. So once you do that, you will going to get this point. Then all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So then the surface nearer to the observer is visible. So naturally this line is visible and this line is visible, and obviously this line will also becomes visible. So you take front view. So once you get this, then you click on this line and you click on this line and you click on this line, make that lines as layer, front view, hidden. Then you come down to this, you make it 10. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now once you do that, then you just go to the zoom previous, then go to zoom window, you bring it near to the screen and then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here, and now you just click over this and you click over this, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So to do that, you click on this, then you will have the layer, then go to DDIM. Now you just go to modify, go to primary units, make it as 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take intersection part of this and you take int of this, so you're going to get 50, then go to intersection part of this and take int of this, so you're going to get it as 25, then go to angular, so take angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get it as 40 degrees, then again angular, select between these two lines, so you're going to get 30, then go to angular, then you take dim, select angular, select between this line, so you take zoom window, then you take dim, take angular, select between this line and this line, so you go to text, so you give space, enter and you keep it here. So once you do that, so now you go to come down to this, then go to dim, TED, extended dimension, you select this and you keep it this as 40 degrees, so you keep this as 30 degrees. Now you just go to the text, select this point, take the height as 3, 0, so this is X and this as Y and this as VP and this as HP and this as small a and this as B and this as C, D, E and F and this as A dash and this as B dash and this as C dash and this as D dash and this as E dash, and this as O1 dash, O1 dash, and this as F dash, and this as O dash. Then just go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you take X and you move VP, and similarly HP. So here you go to D text, so here you type O and then you type O1, then go to move, so you move this A, move B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then O, then O1, then A dash, then B dash, then F dash, then O1 dash, then C dash, then E dash, then D dash, then O dash, then Y. So once you do that, then you click on this VP, A dash, B dash, F dash, E dash, C dash, D dash, and O1 dash. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then escape. So you take A, HP, O1, O, E, F, B, C, D. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now you just go to copy this O dash here, and you copy this A dash here, then B dash here, then F dash here, then O1 dash here, then C dash here, then E dash here, then D dash here. So once you do that, then you copy O here, and that O will come here, and this is O1, and that O1 will come here, and this is D, and that D will come here, and this is A, and that A will come here, and this is B, and that B will come here, and this is C, and that C will come here, and this is E, and that E will be here, and this is F, and that F will come here. So once you do that, then go to copy, you take O dash, you take A dash, you take B dash, you take C dash, A, B, C dash here, and this is D dash, and this is, then you have D text to mark this as E dash, and this as F dash, and this as O1 dash. So here you just move, you take this as E dash, and this as F dash, and this as O1 dash. So you just click over this, all these three, then go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this is your final solution. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. So this is the final solution. Thank you.